What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This channel is growing pretty fast and I want to thank you guys for that. So it really helps out the channel when you do hit the like button and the subscribe button. So today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have a position in NIO. None of this is financial advice. This is just me sharing my ideas and my research with you guys. It's important to do your own research and make your own decisions. So last week, William Lee, the CEO of NIO, did an interview with EcoMotion for their EcoMotion 2020 summit, which actually had to take place virtually because of the Roni situation. So Lee wasn't able to make it out there, but he still was able to do the interview. I'm going to link the interview in the description. And William Lee is speaking in Chinese, so if you don't speak Chinese when you watch that interview, make sure that you turn your captions on so you can get all the information. So last week I actually put out a video on NIO, who has completed 500,000 battery swaps, and I gave my analysis on the situation with their battery swapping business. And I'm making this video today because there is a new update that could be very big for their business. Lee spoke about many things, but when he spoke about the battery swapping business, he talked about how they have 500 patented technologies and that the battery swap business is well received by consumers and users in China. They're doing hundreds of battery swaps daily, and the battery swapping reduces the biggest pain point for electric vehicle users, which is recharging. A lot of people don't have at-home chargers in China, and in big cities, supercharging just isn't convenient for a lot of people as well. So when Tesla actually did their battery swapping business, this was something that didn't work out for them, but it is something that is a big part of NIO's business and they're very excited about it. Now, this is the main takeaway from the interview that I watched. William Lee said NIO is looking to make battery swapping a choice for more electric vehicle users in China. He also said that they have no problem sharing some of their technology with other electric vehicle users. Now, why is this a big deal? Because we know that NIO is in a cash crunch and they're burning through millions of dollars per quarter as they work to become profitable. When you think about Tesla, the reason that a lot of people missed out on the opportunity for huge growth is because they failed to value it as more than a car company. Tesla is actually a technology company and they have different facets to their business, such as Tesla Solar, such as the Tesla insurance that they're creating, and a couple other things. This is NIO's way into creating a more diversified business. If they're able to outsource their battery swapping facilities and technology to other electric vehicle users, then they would be able to generate more revenue under the business of NIO, which would ultimately clean up their books and help them get to profitability a lot faster. This would bring in a lot of free cash flow and possibly create new opportunities for NIO to invest into their business. He talks about BaaS, or their battery as a service solution. This would definitely be a catalyst for the entire electric vehicle market. This is because it would make batteries leasable, which would bring down the consumer's cost to buy an electric vehicle, not just in NIO. So it has a trickle-down effect for the consumer, meaning that you're able to buy a cheaper car and you're able to lease a battery. This is why battery swapping could be the technology of the future for China. Miao Wei, the Minister of Industry and IT in China, gave a few remarks on the battery swapping technology in the industry. Basically, the country is planning extra measures to boost the use of electric cars. And specifically, here's what he said about battery swapping technology. Miao said the ministry will encourage battery swap technologies to alleviate mileage anxieties and introduce more new energy vehicles into the public service sectors, including buses, street sweepers, and logistics vehicles. NIO and BJEV are building vehicles with swappable batteries, which can replace their empty batteries for fully charged ones in minutes. So obviously this is going to directly benefit NIO because they have the patented technology for battery swapping technology, meaning that nobody else can replicate their tech. When you think about the total addressable market of China when it comes to electric vehicles who might want to consider being a part of the battery swapping technology and giving some of their business to NIO, there are 487 electric vehicle car companies in China, so that's a huge total addressable market, and this business could really help out with their books and their cash flow and get them to profitability quicker. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to get that point across to you guys because I think this is a very big thing and I don't think there's been enough media coverage of it. So I want to know what you guys think about the battery swapping business. Is it a no-go, or is it something that's really going to change the future of electric vehicles? Make sure you leave a comment down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Those things really do help out the channel, and I'll continue to make these videos for you guys.